Did you ever consider, with everything that a digital inspection offers your shop, from pictures, video, and clear descriptions, that it also offers the ability to take a customer back in time? And what do I mean by that? Well, you have all of the previous inspections available to you when you write a customer up and you're going to do an inspection today. And that allows you to compare what the vehicle had last time it was here to what it has today. And that helps you build trust for your customers. So take a look at all the different pieces of information that we can pull out of our digital solutions. Both of the bolt-on products give you access to all the following. Here, you'll see that every previous inspection done in this vehicle is visible, and you can tap or click on them, open them up, and take a look at the pictures, the notes, the recommendations, all that at your fingertips. And this can be shown to a customer when it's necessary. Additionally, the whole history of the vehicle is also available to you right on the tablet. Here you can search for brakes or anything else, and that information is going to come up immediately, and you'll be able to tap on any one of these lines, and if you have to have a discussion with somebody, you've got the information that you need right here and now. But that's not it. When you go over to the Vehicle tab, you're going to find that all the recommendations that have been added to the system automatically by Mobile Manager, they will always be there. So yet again, you have something else to share with your customers and help upsell them to what they need to do. Next Gear inspections give you the same capabilities where you can look up a vehicle and all the previous inspections will be visible to you. And just the same, you can go in and look at the notes and the recommendations found on each line. You have the pictures and video available to you. This access to pictures and video gives you the power to be able to show the customer what the vehicle had going on last time it was in compared to what it is today, helping you educate the customer and what they need. So that's a lot of information at your fingertips, and it's very important that you have it so you can share it with the customer. Can't do it with a paper inspection. You can't even find a paper inspection. So remember, when you do a digital inspection on a vehicle, it's there forever. And every time your customer comes in and you've made recommendations in the past, you can always take them back to then, show them pictures, and today if you already inspected the vehicle, you can compare those pictures to what we see today. And hopefully the customer is going to understand why they need to replace that part.